Here we have 10 major products which can be replaced either with the paper or some other degradable compounds. Number 1. The polythene bags. The polythene bags can be replaced with the cloth bag or the paper bags. Number 2. The plastic bottles. The plastic bottles can be replaced with the paper bags, or there are some metallic bottles available in the market. And always keep a bottle with you while travel. This way you can save some money as well as the environment. Number 3. The plastic spoons can be replaced with the wooden spoons. Number 4. The plastic straws. The plastic straws can be replaced with the bamboo straws. Number 5. The plastic disc. The plastic disc can be replaced with the paper disc or the leaves disc. In some part of the India, they eat on the banana leaves and it's quite eco-friendly. Number 6. Plastic cups. The plastic cups can be replaced with the paper cups, and only with the paper cups. Number 7. The plastic packagings. The plastic packagings can be replaced with the leaves or some cardboard bags. Number 8. Plastic toothbrush. The plastic toothbrush can be replaced with the miswak or a wooden stick. It is cheap and good for health as well. Number 9. Plastic toys. Plastic toys can be replaced with the wooden toys, and there are some indoor games as well. Number 10. Plastic cotton buds. The plastic cotton buds can be replaced with the wooden cotton buds, and even you can use the matchsticks. Just wrap some cotton on it and it's ready to use. Hope you like this video. Share this video among your friends and be aware towards the climate change, and take care of yourself.